How do I enable parental controls on my device?
Hey there! Welcome to this video tutorial on how to enable parental controls on your device. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to set up parental controls, allowing you to create a safer and more controlled environment for your family. Let's get started.
What are parental controls?
Before we begin, let's quickly understand what parental controls are. Parental controls are features built into devices that allow parents or guardians to restrict access to certain content, apps, or features on the device. They are particularly useful for managing and limiting the usage of devices by children or teenagers.
Enabling parental controls on iOS devices.
If you're using an iOS device, such as an iPhone or iPad, follow these steps to enable parental controls. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. 3. Tap on Turn on Screen Time if it's not already enabled. 4. Tap on Continue and select This is my child's iPhone or This is my child's iPad. 5. Set up a Screen Time passcode. Make sure it's different from your device passcode. 6. You'll now have access to a range of options to control and manage your child's device usage. Customize the settings according to your preferences and enable the desired restrictions. Remember to choose a strong and unique passcode that only you know to prevent unauthorized changes to the parental control settings.
Enabling parental controls on Android devices.
For Android devices, the steps to enable parental controls may vary depending on the manufacturer and the Android version. However, here's a general outline of how to enable parental controls on Android. 1. Open the Settings app on your device. 2. Look for an option like Users and Accounts, Family, or Parental Controls. The exact name and location may differ based on your device. 3. Tap on the relevant option and follow the prompts to set up a new user profile for your child. 4. Once the profile is created, go back to the main settings menu and select the newly created user profile. 5. Look for the parental controls or restricted profile settings and enable them. 6. Customize the settings to restrict access to specific apps, content, or device features. Again, it's important to set a strong passcode to prevent unauthorized changes to the parental control settings.
Enabling parental controls on Windows and Mac.
If you want to enable parental controls on a Windows or Mac computer, follow these general steps. 1. On Windows, open the Settings app, or on Mac, open System Preferences. 2. Look for an option like Family and Other Users, Parental Controls, or Users and Groups. 3. Click on the relevant option and follow the prompts to create a new user account for your child. 4. Once the account is created, go back to the main settings menu and select the newly created user account. 5. Enable parental controls or similar settings and customize them according to your preferences. 6. You can set time limits, control app and website access, and manage other restrictions to ensure a safe environment for your child. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to enable parental controls on various devices. By implementing these controls, you can regulate your child's device usage and protect them from inappropriate content. Remember to periodically review and update the settings based on your child's age and needs. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.